In today's video, I will be walking through how to upload your first audio file to the CoachScribe dashboard. It is a very quick and easy process and should only take you about a couple of minutes. Once completed, all of your data from that specific session will be uploaded into the dashboard, where you will be able to note on feedback, analysis, session objectives, and much more. So to get started, you can go to one of two tabs. You can go to the Overview tab or the Sessions tab. In both tabs, you will see in the top right corner a Add Session button. You're going to head and click on that, and it'll take you to Add New Session. So this is where you're going to upload your audio file for the practice session you just had. So start off by naming it. We'll name it Training Session March 24th for today's date. You're going to select which coach was a part of it, as well as which athletes were a part of it. This will allow for further specification of athletes and coaches the more sessions you add to a specific coach or a specific athlete. And after a while on CoachScribe with many sessions, you'll see much more detail and a much bigger overview of each athlete and each coach once they have multiple sessions under their belt. Next, you set the date. So it was today's date. The duration of the training session, the one for the example, is 30 minutes. If there's a location you want to add, you can add that. The type of session it was, whether it was a training, a meeting, speed training, any of these to further specify. The status of the training, so if it is one that is scheduled in the future or it's in progress, canceled, completed. Then you can add any notes if you would like. So for this, we'll say test tennis session. And finally, you'll add your audio file here. So first you have to press add your first channel. And now this is where you can specify whether it was the coach or the athlete being mic'd up. So for this example, we have the coach that was mic'd up. So then you'll click on this section here. It'll bring you to your files, and you simply select the audio file that is in line with the coach. So if here you see tennis coach, we'll use that one. We press upload. And then after that, it should be all set. If you need to add more files, you can always add more. But for this example, this is all we need. So after that is complete, you press create session and generate report. In a few moments, the audio file will finish uploading, and CoachScribe will give you a full breakdown and analysis of this session with extreme details of everything that went on, everything the coach said, how the athlete responded, and much more.